happy sneakerheads. So we're back here with another sneaker unboxing. As you can see, I already did pick up that Jordan 11 Legend Blue hoodie. It did come in. I'm very excited about that. So now I got this nice hoodie. So moving on to today's unboxing. So I kind of got lucky. I did went on a bid from StockX on these. I did win a bid with $91. So kind of excited to see these first in hand. Hopefully I got a good legit pair. I did already see these in person at the mall. They do have nice quality leather. I'm hoping that these will have the same quality leather. Open up the box. Do see some nice little goodies right here from StockX. Let's toss those to the side. Looking at the box, my thing, this does come in a nice box. Bam. You see the box, that beautiful speckled with the elephant print, Nike, the Jumpman Jordan with that flight logo in white. You think that's a nice touch. Again, this is a nice box. Like I said, this is my size 10. So this is another Jordan Spizike Low. If you've been following my channel, you should probably already know what these are. As you can see, like this shoe is many of the shoes that makes this. The Spizike is made of the Air Jordan 3, Air Jordan 4, Air Jordan 5, Air Jordan 6, and Air Jordan 9. It does feature that standard elephant print splatter paper. Bam. Should already know. The Jordan Spizike Low UNC blue. This is a fire colorway in my opinion. As you know, I do collect these Jordan 11s. So I'm glad to get this one in my hand. Like I said, this is my second Spizike. You know, I haven't put on the first ones yet. Let me know overall what you think about these. This is a beautiful colorway. Predominantly of the colorway is all white. Of course, if you missed out on the Jordan 3s, UNCs, this is a pretty nice alternative. It does have that nice elephant print in my opinion. We wish that the Jordan 3 black cements came out this nice, but unfortunately they didn't. It's a shame that you can get better quality on a lower GR sneaker than you can. But let me know down in the comments, are you messing around with the Spizikes? I know some people, you know, if it ain't one of the main shoes, they don't rock with it. But for me, you know, I just buy whatever I like. So again, this is a nice shoe. It does feature predominantly white upper. We do have those gray hits. Very soft in my opinion. Nicer than what I expected. You see we have that UNC blue going around to the back all the way right here to the middle of the shoe. Then underneath that we do have that white that goes all the way around the bottom of the shoe. And what makes this shoe so comfortable is that air bubble right there. You see that nice air bubble, which we all love about this shoe, that makes this Jordan 3 so soft. You see we do have that standard Jordan 3 outsole, which I do love. You see we have that light gray with those UNC pods at the front, as well as that Jordan written right here in UNC blue. I do think that's a nice touch. Again, it's a very clean outsole in my opinion. Moving around to the toe box, we do see those hits of that Jordan 6 right here. Those features that blue, light blue, UNC blue lock lace. As well as at the front of the shoe, we do see that standard tongue as we do see on the Jordan 6s. I do think that's a nice touch. The only thing that I kind of like, wish they would have did a little bit better, like on the back of these, there's no pattern or anything. They just kept them plain. As we know, like usually behind the original Jordan 6s, there's some type of pattern or some type of design on the back. So, but we're only paying $160 for these. And of course, I got mine way below retail, so I really can't complain. Moving to the side of the shoe, we do see those wings logo that comes from the Air Jordan 4. With those honeycombs right there in that UNC blue. And looking at the toe box right here, we do see this Jumpman Jordan right there in that UNC blue. I do think that's a nice touch. Kind of matches this shirt really well. So that's another reason why I got this shirt, because I knew I have a lot of UNC shoes in my collection. So I knew I could rock this hoodie with a lot of my shoes. So let me know what you're thinking about my hoodie. You think this is a good pickup for the shoe? And looking at the back, we do see that Spike Lee branding. Also on one shoe, it does have Spike Lee right here, his picture on the back. That is him with that Brooklyn hat on, looking like the Mars character. And then on the other shoe right here, that actually represents Spike Lee's production company, 40 Acres and a Mule. So looking at it, you have to look that up if you want to know more information about that. Looking on the inside of the shoe, we do see that sock liner right there with that Jumpman in white. The sock liners in here, although they're not good quality, it's that cheap padding right here. Does have a lot of glue at the bottom. These are the cheapest insoles that you can probably put in a shoe. I wish Jordan Brand would do a better job about that, because we're paying all this money and getting cheap materials. But so you may want to replace your insole with something a little bit better. But overall, this is a nice shoe in my opinion. And if you've been following my channel, you know that this is my second pair of these Spizikes. Another colorway that I would like to probably get will be the Midnight Navy pair. That one does have a lot of tumble leather on it as well. But it's weird, like all these Spizike shoes, they come in different qualities, because some of them have nice tumble leather and then some of them have that cheap smooth leather. So I don't really know who's designing those, but they're all different. So I'll say, before you buy them, go to your local sneaker retail stores and look at them in person to make sure that the quality is up to your standards. But it does have some nice leather right here in the toe box. As you can see right there, as I put my hand on it, does start crinkling up. It's very soft and nice. And this goes all around the toe box right here. Now this upper portion right here is a little bit more stiffer leather, as well as this back panel right here. It does feel a little bit stiffer, but around here, the toe box and this leather right here is very soft to touch in my hand. It feels like butter. Move around to the back, you do another soft piece right here. So it's like it's built in overlays. It's kind of like they have this harder piece at the back and then with the softer overlays on top. So let me know, are you rocking these, or how they feel as far as comfort on your feet. Again, this is my second pair. As you know, I already have these right here. So this is what I was trying to tell y'all earlier about, trying to complete the set in a way. I got the all blue pair, and then this is like the opposite color. So in my opinion, it's like you have the winter right here in the all blue, and then you're gonna rock these other ones over here in the summertime. It's just really a matter of preference of what you like. Again, I can't say the white pair is a lot better in my opinion. Like this blue pair right here, like how I was saying, like you have the hard leather. This one feels kind of like a little bit softer, but it's kind of like this one, I'm gonna say it's like a suede, but it's cut real low. But this one does definitely feel a lot harder, and it doesn't have any, like when I'm putting my hand over this, it's not giving me any wrinkle effects or anything like that. And what makes this shoe unique, it does have that elephant print and this light blue. This is a kind of like a crazy color right here. I know some people might think that this shoe is hard to rock. And as I'm looking at the differences between like the tongue right here, this is actually like a clear piece at the top versus this piece right here. So you can see the difference on the toe box. The toe right at the top of the shoe is a very different. This one is actually UNC blue, and this one looks like a more clear, that they're using the blue of the shoe to come through the clearness of this plastic piece at the top. I think they're trying to maintain that blue throughout. But again, let me know if you're rocking with the Jordan Spizike Lows. Again, just wanted to come back at y'all with this unboxing and show off these sneakers to you. Both of these shoes are very clean in my humble opinion. Let me know down in the comments, sneakerheads, which one of these would you be rocking. And say this is another example kind of like of that. Like I always say, Jordan Brand does the blue and then they do the red. So this is kind of like the red version on the left and blue version on the right. But I'm glad I got both these shoes in my collection, and I can't wait to rock these. Hey, but if you like content like this, make sure you hit that subscribe button, sneakerheads. Hit that bell for notifications. And until next time, we'll see ya.